Absolutely. Here's a fully rephrased and expanded version of your script, natural for narration, over 200 words, and suitable for a 1-minute delivery. Pumping JP-8 jet fuel into flexible bladders is not just a simple task. It's a critical operation that ensures military aircraft are ready and able to operate anywhere in the world at a moment's notice. Unlike traditional fuel tanks, these bladders are designed to be highly versatile and adaptable. They are flexible, easily deployable, and can be transported by truck, plane, or ship, which makes them perfect for rapidly changing locations and mission requirements. Built to be tough, they are resistant to punctures, harsh weather, and other challenging conditions, providing reliable fuel storage even in the most demanding environments. The process of filling these bladders involves carefully transporting JP-8 jet fuel to the site using specialized pumps and following strict safety protocols at every step. These bladders play a vital role in supporting a variety of military operations. They provide fuel to aircraft on forward-deployed bases, support disaster relief efforts, enable realistic training exercises by simulating in-field refueling, and allow for the swift establishment of temporary fuel storage during emergencies. Their ability to be quickly set up, moved, and reused makes them an indispensable part of modern military logistics. Whether it's sustaining operations in remote locations or ensuring that aircraft are fueled and ready at all times, JP-8 bladders demonstrate the importance of flexibility, durability, and efficiency in military fuel operations, proving that even something as simple as fuel storage can have a profound impact on mission success. If you want, I can also make a version that flows even more like a professional voiceover, emphasizing pauses and rhythm for narration. Do you want me to do that? Got it. You want me to create a fully rephrased narration script based on your Robot 1X text that is over 200 words and can be read for more than a minute. Here's the version. Robot 1X, created by 1X Technologies, is one of the most advanced humanoid robots designed to work safely and efficiently alongside humans in everyday environments. Standing at the height of an average person, it moves with remarkably lifelike motions, powered by sophisticated AI that allows it to perceive and understand the world around it. This robot is capable of performing a wide range of tasks, making it an invaluable assistant in homes, offices, and even factories. From helping with simple daily chores to taking on repetitive or potentially dangerous jobs, Robot 1X is built to make human life easier and safer. What makes Robot 1X truly exceptional is its advanced vision system, precise motor control, and intelligent decision-making capabilities. It can learn from its surroundings, adapt to new situations, and respond in ways that feel natural and intuitive. This combination of adaptability and reliability allows it to handle tasks that require careful attention, efficiency, and consistency. With the support of leading investors like OpenAI, Robot 1X is more than just a machine. It represents a vision of the future where intelligent, helpful humanoid robots could become a part of our daily lives, transforming the way we work, live, and interact with technology. As we look ahead, robots like 1X are paving the way for a world where humans and machines work together seamlessly, making life safer, easier, and more efficient for everyone. If you want, I can also make it ready for a natural narration voice so it flows perfectly for speaking, emphasizing pauses, rhythm, and tone. Do you want me to do that next? The Škoda Vision 7S is a striking concept car that offers a clear vision of the brand's future in electric mobility and design innovation. Unveiled on July 15, 2022, this concept represents the first fully electric vehicle to feature Škoda's new design language, setting the tone for the next generation of their cars. The Vision 7S impresses with its spacious and versatile interior, designed to comfortably accommodate up to 7 passengers. The cabin reflects a minimalist approach, crafted using sustainable materials that are both eco-friendly and stylish, creating a modern, clean, and inviting atmosphere for all occupants. Inside, the Vision 7S emphasizes practicality and functionality without sacrificing comfort. The interior architecture is thoughtfully designed to maximize space across 3 rows of seating, ensuring that every passenger enjoys ample legroom and a sense of openness. The cockpit features intuitive digital controls, allowing seamless interaction with all in-car technologies. Skoda has also included their signature Simply Clever features, adding smart solutions and conveniences that enhance the driving experience and make everyday tasks easier for drivers and passengers alike. The first sketches of the Vision 7S give a glimpse of a futuristic yet practical cabin, demonstrating how Skoda is combining modern aesthetics with thoughtful functionality. The new design language is not just about looks. It is authentic, intuitive, and designed to make digital technology easy to use, all while maintaining a high degree of comfort and usability. Overall, the Vision 7S concept car embodies Skoda's commitment to sustainable innovation, spacious family-friendly design, and forward-thinking technology, presenting a clear vision for the future of electric vehicles. It is a remarkable example of how Skoda is shaping its next generation of vehicles, blending eco-conscious materials, advanced technology, and practical design in a way that promises both comfort and convenience for all passengers. If you want, I can make an even longer version exceeding 250 to 300 words that flows perfectly for a voiceover of more than 1 minute. Do you want me to do that? The Zapata Flyboard Air is a truly groundbreaking innovation that is redefining what personal flight can look like. Created by the inventive French engineer Frankie Zapata and his team at Zapata Industries, this revolutionary hoverboard allows a person to take off from the ground and soar through the air with incredible speed and agility. Unlike conventional aircraft, the Flyboard Air is powered by multiple jet turbine engines and equipped with advanced stabilization systems, giving flyers precise control while navigating the skies. Watching someone maneuver it is almost like seeing a superhero in action, as it can reach impressive altitudes and achieve thrilling velocities that were previously unimaginable for a single-person device. Over the years, videos of the Flyboard Air in action have gone viral, capturing the attention and fascination of audiences all over the world, inspiring dreams of personal aerial travel, and highlighting the potential of next-level flight technology. Despite its breathtaking capabilities, the Flyboard Air remains largely experimental due to strict safety regulations and practical limitations, meaning it is not yet a widely accessible mode of transportation. Nevertheless, its existence is a bold statement about the future of human mobility, offering a tantalizing glimpse into what personal flight might become. It combines engineering innovation, daring design, and the spirit of adventure, showing that the dream of flying like a bird may not be as far off as once imagined. With each demonstration, the Flyboard Air pushes the boundaries of what is possible, opening doors to new forms of exploration and entertainment in the air, and marking a remarkable step forward in the evolution of personal aviation technology. The Zapata Flyboard Air is a truly groundbreaking innovation that is redefining what personal flight can look like. Created by the inventive French engineer Frankie Zapata and his team at Zapata Industries, this revolutionary hoverboard allows a person to take off from the ground and soar through the air with incredible speed and agility. Unlike conventional aircraft, the Flyboard Air is powered by multiple jet turbine engines and equipped with advanced stabilization systems, giving flyers precise control while navigating the skies. Watching someone maneuver it is almost like seeing a superhero in action, as it can reach impressive previously unimaginable for a single-person device. Over the years, videos of the Flyboard Air in action have gone viral, capturing the attention and fascination of audiences all over the world, inspiring dreams of personal aerial travel, and highlighting the potential of next-level flight technology. Despite its breathtaking capabilities, the Flyboard Air remains largely experimental due to strict safety regulations and practical limitations, meaning it is not yet a widely accessible mode of transportation. Nevertheless, its existence is a bold statement about the future of human mobility, offering a tantalizing glimpse into what personal flight might become. It combines engineering innovation, daring design, and the spirit of adventure, showing that the dream of flying like a bird may not be as far off as once imagined. With each demonstration, the Flyboard Air pushes the boundaries of what is possible, opening doors to new forms of exploration and entertainment in the air, and marking a remarkable step forward in the evolution of personal aviation technology. Absolutely. Here's your script fully rephrased into over 200 words for a smooth, over 1 minute narration. The Starstreak Mark V is an incredibly fast and highly effective short-range air defense missile, designed to take on even the quickest planes and helicopters. What makes it truly remarkable is the way it tracks its targets. Unlike traditional missiles that rely on heat-seeking technology, Starstreak uses a laser guidance system, which makes it extremely difficult for enemy aircraft to evade once it has been fired. This precision guidance ensures that the missile stays locked onto its target, increasing the chances of a successful hit. When launched, Starstreak doesn't just fire a single warhead. Instead, it releases 3 dart-like projectiles, each designed to strike with incredible force, maximizing damage and increasing the probability of hitting agile or multiple targets. Its versatility is another major advantage. The missile comes in both portable, man-carried versions and vehicle-mounted setups, making it suitable for a wide range of combat situations and battlefield environments. Starstreak has already proven its worth in real-world combat scenarios. It has been instrumental in helping Ukraine defend against Russian aircraft, showing that it is not just a theoretical weapon, but a highly effective, battle-tested system. With its incredible speed, precise targeting, and adaptable deployment options, the Starstreak Mark V is one of the most impressive and reliable defenders in the sky, capable of turning the tide in short-range air defense operations. If you want, I can also make a slightly more dramatic YouTube-style narration version that hits every point with more punch while keeping it over a minute. Do you want me to do that next? Absolutely. Here's a fully rephrased version of your Bugatti W16 script, expanded to over 200 words and flowing naturally for a 1 minute or longer read. The Bugatti W16 engine is an extraordinary marvel of automotive engineering, a powertrain that has defined an era of hypercars for almost 20 years. This 8.0-liter W16 is the only 16-cylinder engine in the world ever designed for a road-going car, and it stands as a true symbol of technical brilliance and innovation. Its story is not just one of horsepower and speed, but a celebration of engineering artistry, showcasing decades of relentless development and refinement. With 16 cylinders working in perfect harmony and a displacement of 8 liters, it produces an astonishing 1,001 PS, a figure that seemed almost unimaginable when the Veyron 16.4 was first introduced in 2005. At the time, the revelation of this engine changed the automotive world forever. It was compact, yet immensely powerful, capable of effortlessly cruising one moment and smashing acceleration records the next. From a standing start, it rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds, while its top speed soars beyond 400 kilometers per hour. The W16 is more than just an engine. It is a statement, an icon, and a testament to the relentless pursuit of perfection. Every detail, every component embodies precision, performance, and passion, making it one of the most legendary powertrains ever created. If you want, I can also make a more dramatic YouTube-style narration version that would really capture attention and feel cinematic. Do you want me to do that next? Chongqing's Kuntan Cruise Terminal is poised to become one of the most remarkable international cruise hubs in China, thanks to the winning design by Mad Architects in collaboration with the China Academy of Building Research, KR. This ambitious project transforms an existing cargo terminal, currently dominated by massive gantry cranes, into a state-of-the-art cruise terminal and urban complex. The new development will include a 15,000 square meter cruise port and more than 50,000 square meters of commercial and public spaces, creating a lively, multifunctional destination that blends transportation, commerce, and urban life. The site itself, covering 66,000 square meters in Chongqing's Liangjiang New Area, enjoys a prime location with direct access to the Yangtze River, making it an ideal gateway for international travelers and cruise lines. During their site visits, the design team drew inspiration from the towering orange gantry cranes that characterize the freight terminal. These massive structures, with their almost otherworldly presence, appeared to the team as surreal, living creatures. And this sense of alien-like surrealism became central to their design vision. In response, Mad Architects and Kabar developed a proposal that reflects the industrial palette and mechanical rhythm of the cranes, while elevating the site into a futuristic cityscape. Their design features elevated buildings and open spaces that resemble a free-floating city, creating a sense of movement and exploration. The final concept celebrates the industrial history of the site, while imagining a dynamic, visionary environment where architecture, commerce, and the riverfront interact seamlessly, offering visitors a truly unique experience. If you want, I can also make an even more vivid, cinematic version tailored specifically for voiceover narration, with natural pacing to ensure it comfortably exceeds 1 minute. Do you want me to do that?